the Slovak startup Intermodal Logistics Solution won third prize and an Excellence Award for its project HIT, Horizontal Intermodal Transshipment, at the International Innovation and Entrepreneurship Competition Startup in Shanghai. Today, gantry cranes are the most widely used solution for transferring containers between road and rail transport. A gantry crane handles only one container at a time. It lifts the container from a rail wagon, raises it 4 to 6 meters above the other containers, and then moves the entire crane, weighing around 600 tons plus the container itself, over a prepared waiting truck where the container is lowered. The crane then picks up another container from the terminal area, moves it over the empty position on the train, and places it onto the wagon. This single cycle takes at least 6 minutes. A full container train typically carries 44 containers. That means unloading and unloading one complete train takes at least 4.5 hours. To dramatically reduce transshipment time, Slovak inventor, engineer Peter Hrabko developed the HIT system, a horizontal container transshipment solution for road and rail transport. The HIT system can reduce the unloading and loading time of a full container train from several hours to just half an hour. According to a completed study, the HIT system can reduce the operating costs of an intermodal terminal by 25% and reduce investment costs by 49%, compared with a terminal using gantry cranes with similar handling capacity. Intermodal transport is growing worldwide by 17% per year. Continental intermodal transport is also expanding, and to handle these increasing volumes, terminals are becoming larger, with multiple gantry cranes working side by side to speed up operations. The HIT system transfers all containers from and onto the train at once in a fully automated mode. It uses artificial intelligence to optimize terminal operations. It can operate 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It can also transfer containers under power lines, and it requires no modifications to road semi-trailers or intermodal rail wagons. The principle of the HIT system is remarkably simple. First, 4 lifting jacks raise the container above the wagon or semi-trailer. Then, 2 telescopic supports move underneath the container. The container is placed onto these supports and transferred onto the structure between the train and the road line. This structure also allows the container to move parallel to the railway line along 2 transfer tracks. Once the container reaches the correct position, the telescopic supports move it into place and the 4 lifting jacks lower it onto the wagon or semi-trailer. The animation shows one module of the HIT system. Additional modules can be installed along the full length of the train depending on the required terminal capacity. These modules can be used not only for road-to-rail transshipment, but also for rail-to-rail transfer, for example where different railway gauges meet, or for hub terminal operating in a road-rail-railroad configuration. The HIT system is the only functional patented system in the world for horizontal container transshipment, and it has held a European patent since 2022. Project documentation for the production of the HIT system has already been prepared, and the terminal management system with AI-based optimization has been designed. A total of 1,487 projects entered the Startup in Shanghai competition. For the first time, 71 non-Chinese companies also took part, with the opportunity to present their projects live to investors and experts in innovation, technology, and entrepreneurship. In the semi-final round, held in September 2025, the judges selected 100 projects to advance to the final. The Slovak startup reached the final together with only 3 other non-Chinese companies. In the final, Intermodal Logistics Solutions won third prize. And during the award ceremony, the company also signed a cooperation agreement with the Shanghai Technology Park in Baoshan district.